ABC flashcards for toddlers. Let's learn ABC. A.
Ant.
A.
Ant.
Let's learn something new today. B.
Bear.
B.
Bear.
Let's learn something new today. C.
Cat.
C.
Cat.
Let's learn something new today. D.
Dinosaur.
D.
Dinosaur.
Let's learn something new today. E.
Elephant.
E.
Elephant.
Let's learn something new today. F.
Fox.
Let's learn something new today. G.
Giraffe.
G.
Giraffe.
G.
Giraffe.
Let's learn something new today. H.
Hen.
H.
Hen.
Let's learn something new today. I.
Iguana.
I.
Iguana.
Let's learn something new today. J.
Jellyfish.
J.
Jellyfish.
Let's learn something new today. K.
Koala.
K.
Koala.
Let's learn something new today. L.
Lion.
L.
Lion.
Let's learn something new today. M.
Monkey.
M.
Monkey.
Let's learn something new today. N.
Narval.
N.
Narval.
Let's learn something new today. O.
Owl.
O.
Owl.
Let's learn something new today. P.
Panda.
P.
Panda.
Let's learn something new today. Q.
Quail.
Q.
Quail.
Let's learn something new today. R.
Rabbit.
R.
Rabbit.
Let's learn something new today. S.
Sheep.
S.
Sheep.
Let's learn something new today. T.
Turtle.
T.
Turtle.
Let's learn something new today. U.
Unicorn.
U.
Unicorn.
Let's learn something new today. V.
Vole.
V.
Vole.
Let's learn something new today. W.
Whale.
W.
Whale.
Let's learn something new today. X.
Ziphias.
X.
Ziphias.
Let's learn something new today. Y.
Yak.
Y.
Yak.
Let's learn something new today. Z,
zebra,
Z,
zebra,
ABC flash